Today we're going to be using the rib tool to create the rib in this bracket part that we're going to be creating. And so the rib is the feature in the middle here that gives the part strength. So to create that, you'll go ahead and model the general shape of the part. And if we go back to the drawing, you can see that this rib is going to be in the middle of the part in the depth dimension. And so we have to figure out how to draw that in the middle. To do that, we are going to use a midplane. And so I'm going to go ahead and select the midplane. I'm going to select the front face and the back face of the part and click OK. And then we're going to go ahead and create a sketch on that plane. From here, we're going to use our project tool. So you can hit P on your keyboard or go down and find project. And we're going to project some geometry to the plane we just created. So I'm going to click on this line right here to project this line to the plane that we're working on. And I'm also going to come up here and I'm going to project that midline so I can find this point on the part. From there, I'm going to go ahead and get the point tool and I'm going to place a point on that midline. And then I'll dimension the point from here to here. If we look at our print, we can see that it is 1 inch from the angle to the end of the rib. So I'll go ahead and dimension that point at 1 inch. Then all I have to do is get my line tool and create a line from the top point, which is in the center of our part in the depth dimension, down to that point we just defined. I can then finish my sketch. I can find the rib tool and I can select that line that we created, and I can go ahead and put in a size for the rib. So if we look at the rib, we can see that the rib is 1/4 inch or 250 thousandths. So I'll go ahead and type that into the thickness box here, and we can see that it creates the rib feature that we are looking to create. So once you have the rib feature figured out, you can go ahead and finish modeling the rest of the part. So after you've added the rest of the features, the finished part should look something like this.